The Electric Chisel is a remarkably designed handheld woodworking engraving machine that redefines portability and comfort for crafters. Its core strength lies in an ergonomic and lightweight build that sits perfectly in the palm, eliminating the hand fatigue typically associated with prolonged manual carving sessions. This portable wood craving tool is explicitly engineered for detailed DIY projects, allowing artists and hobbyists to execute intricate designs with a level of control that traditional tools often lack. The device feels substantial enough to be durable, yet light enough for precise, delicate work, making it an ideal entry point into power-assisted wood carving without the bulk of a full-sized workshop tool. Powering this compact unit is a highly efficient, pure copper core motor, which is the heart of its performance. This critical component is responsible for generating a stable, high-speed vibration that translates into smooth and consistent carving action. The use of pure copper ensures excellent conductivity, providing the motor with the necessary power to maintain its RPM even under pressure, preventing bogging down during more demanding cuts into various wood types. This consistent power delivery is what separates it from cheaper alternatives, offering a professional-grade vibration that makes the carving process not only easier, but also more predictable and enjoyable. Convenience is further amplified by the integrated power system. The unit is a fully rechargeable palm chisel equipped with a built-in lithium battery that supports USB charging. This feature allows for incredible flexibility, enabling users to power the device from a power bank, laptop, or standard wall adapter, making it truly cordless and portable. The battery is designed to guarantee consistent operation throughout a crafting session, providing reliable runtime. The shift from being tethered to an air compressor or a wall outlet represents a significant liberation for the woodworker, allowing creativity to flow anywhere without constraints. Durability and longevity are central to this engraving machine's design, primarily due to its precision engineering. The pure copper precision core does more than just conduct power. It also ensures a secure clamp that firmly grips the included 20 PCS replaceable blades, preventing any slippage during operation. Furthermore, this construction provides inherent resistance to high temperatures, a common cause of motor failure in less robust tools. Coupled with a design that promotes rapid heat dissipation, the internal components are protected from overheating, thereby significantly extending the overall lifespan of the tool and ensuring it remains a reliable part of any toolkit for years to come. While the Electric Chisel excels in portability and ease of use, its power, though impressive for its size, may not match that of a high-end corded rotary tool or a full-size pneumatic chisel for heavy-duty material removal on large projects. The vibration, while stable, can still cause some numbness during very extended, continuous use, so taking breaks is recommended. Some users might find the range of motion with the specific chisel blades has a learning curve compared to a traditional mallet and chisel. The inclusion of 20 blades offers fantastic variety, but the quality of these blades can be inconsistent, with some dulling faster than others, suggesting that investing in higher quality replacement blades in the future could enhance performance.